The Noggi is a 2D object. When we drag it up into our scene, it basically looks like a rounded rectangle slanted a little bit. So if we click on the Noggi icon to go into the properties editor, we have a lot of options here within the Noggi. First, to see the shading, we'll just drop a material on it, and then we can come over into the Noggi, and the first setting that we have within the properties is the width. So we can adjust the width here, and you also have the same setting for the height. Now, unlike the rectangle, the Noggi allows you to bevel each corner. So we can come into our bevel and bevel the top right corner. We can also do the exact same thing for the top left. And if you don't want to bevel, you just take that parameter down to 0. So with the control of being able to bevel each corner, you can get some different shapes here. Now there's also a stretch. And when we adjust the stretch, it just basically adjusts the slant here. If you don't want to stretch, you can just make it 0. And then there is no stretch. There's also a horizontal alignment here. So as we click through that and we want this shape to grow, and we can use the width here to grow it from the left, from the right, or from the center. So we have it set to the right here, and now as we adjust the width, it grows from the right. If we put it to center and then adjust the width, it's going to adjust it from the center point. We also have a vertical alignment the same. So it's set to middle by default, and as we adjust the height, it will grow from the middle. We have a bottom, so if we want it to grow from the bottom, we can have it grow up. And if we want to grow it from the top, we can set it to top and change the height. And that will allow you to change the height from the top down. There is also a geometry type set to area by default. We can also change this to outline. And once you change it to outline, you can then change the outline width down here underneath the outline width parameter. There's also edge points. So if you want to take this down and make it less smooth, you can take the edge points down to 0, or it goes all the way up to 100 to smooth out those round corners. So we'll change this back to area. And then with the crop setting here, which is off by default, we can turn this on and basically crop each side of this Noggi. So you can see we can crop the left side here, and the right crop face is automatically set to 50. And as we take this up further, you can see that it will start to reveal our corners. So this right crop face was cropping out the right side of this Noggi. And again, we can adjust the bottom crop and the top as well. So with the Noggi, you'll be able to make a lot of different shapes just by adjusting the corners or the bevel of each and the stretch. And then depending how you want your Noggi to animate on, you also have a lot of different variations as far as the alignment and crop facing as well.